Hi, I'm Kathleen from the Center Hall Library. Today we're going to make a recycled book page ornament craft. It'll look like this. So first, let's get our supplies ready. You'll need a clear plastic or glass ornament, and it will need to have the top come off like this. You'll also need strips of book pages, cut like this. Now you can use a book that's damaged and old and faded for your book pages. Another option is using an old map, or one of my favorites, damaged sheet music. And I have made a musical one before, and it looks like this. The next thing that you need is some glitter. You don't have to use glitter, but I think it adds extra sparkle, especially if you're putting it on a Christmas tree with lights. You can use any color. I like to use gold or silver. And then last, you need a piece of ribbon, about 10 inches long, and this will be tied on the top. All right, let's get started. What you're gonna do is take your strips of paper and slide them in. It'll take a little bit to get them to look the way that you want. Since the ornament is round, in this case kind of oblong, you'll need to play around with how it goes in. Once you're happy with the way that it looks, take a little bit of glitter and you sprinkle some in, and then you can put the top back on. Then you just shake it around a little bit. And tie on your ribbon. And there you go. There's lots of book page crafts that you can do. So make sure you check out this book at your local library. It has a lot of great options for crafts that you can do with damaged books that you might have at your house or that the library is getting rid of. Happy reading and happy crafting.